P,
Sir.
this is your first time working with us. Our policy here, we don't tolerate nonsense.
Okay, sir.
These are my price lists. You have to cross-check to see everything we sell.
Okay, sir.
And whenever you want to sell any product, add a little stuff to it so that by the time they are pricing, they'll price down to the normal price. Don't give out any product on credit, okay?
Okay, sir.
Anything you don't understand, you call me. Alright?
Alright.
So I will leave the stuff for you.
Thank you,
okay?
sir. Okay, sir.
I'll see you later.
Alright, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good day, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please, I want to buy ring lights.
Ring light.
Yes.
Which one?
This one.
This one, 27,000.
Wow. It's expensive. Oh.
Madam, when you buy things last, things not expensive now. Dollar don't rise. So, they pay with transfer, POS or cash.
I'll pay in kind.
Madam, I don't understand.
How you don't understand? You know beyond that.
Madam, try talk now. I don't write the seat for you. You know how this kind of thing. You guys take time right
Why
now.
they do like that?
This is plain.
Why you do like this? You don't understand.
Madam, I don't get you. I beg, if you won't buy this thing, buy it. If you don't want buy it, go. I beg.
Give me this thing.
Madam, what is your problem now? I don't know why on a day like this. One of those is a small boy. Somebody don't they try one make them. They try one establish himself. When I go come, one spoil something. Madam, if you don't say no one pay, you don't want pay for this thing. Madam, they come for the shop.
They say make I dey go.
They go.
I dey go.
Madam, they go.
Okay.
Ma.
Wow. Mr. P,
Sir, well done,
you
sir.
know that for a very long time I've been testing my boys and none of them have passed this test.
Yes.
You are the only ones that deserve admiration. Shake me because I'm impressed. What is this? All this number, I will be a free ring light.
Jesus.
Nice one.
I hope you enjoy that Romy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.